2 minutes remaining now here in this ball game. Balispis for three. Yes. Balispis brings life back to this team Albay as he cuts the lead down to 2, 64 to 66. Inside of 2 minutes remaining now in this ball game. Mase on the defense is Pasahon. Screen by Plano. Mase, he takes the three. Defense not there. And the ball will go up, will end up rather with Team Albay. Minute and a half remaining now in this basketball game. Pasahol being defended by Mase. Pasahol drives, dishes it, and we'll get a timeout. The ball, I think, will retain here with Team Albay. A minute and 21 seconds remaining in this basketball game. It's a 2-point difference between these two teams. 2,500 viewers on our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting and watching this live broadcast of the Palarong Bicol 2026. We have a bone crusher for our first game between Team Naga and Team Albay. Get your popcorn ready as we are about to witness a fantastic contest here today for our first game. Tell us who you think will win this first semifinals matchup and who will book their tickets to the gold medal game. Is it Team Naga or Team Albay? Tell us in the comment section who you think will win this game. So Team Naga will have it. 2-point lead. Pasahol on the defense against Mase. Mase gives it up to Gatin. Hand off to Mase. And that'll be a traveling violation, a turnover for Naga. That would be costly for Team Naga if Albay is able to tie things up or take the lead. Pasahol has it against Calderon. A screen by Bersigue. Pasahol will drive. Pasahol, I think he thought he was fouled. And now, let's see what the call is here. We have bodies on the floor. Calderon and Pasahol. As a timeout will be called by Team Naga. I think Pasahol crashed hard there on the floor, diving for that loose ball. And hopefully Pasahol will be okay, as he is a big factor here for Team Albay. And he's been a primary weapon, certainly, for these Greyhounds. Pasahol is still on the floor. As they're trying to wipe up the wet spot here on the court. So Pasahol does get up, but slowly, I think he will stay in. So number 14 does stay. What a warrior this guy, number 14, Pasahol, is for his team, Albay, as he looks gassed here in this ball game. But he will stay in for Team Albay. Again, 2,700 of you watching online. Thank you so much for tuning in to this live broadcast brought to you by Dope Media and JC on the mic. And we request a humble request for every one of you to keep on following our pages, Dope Media and JC on the Mic. We are here the whole day bringing you the live broadcast of these semifinals. This is our first game of the day. We have 3 more coming. Of course, the second game, also the semifinals round between Team Tabaco and Team Catanduanes. And later on, the gold medal game this afternoon as Team Naga is set to inbound it. They have a 2-point lead. 48 seconds remaining. Solomon fading to his left. Shot won't go. Rebounded by Team Albay. Chance to tie or take the lead. Pasahol attacks. That one, I think, tipped. Good defense by Team Naga. And Naga secures the rebound. Team Albay does not have the foul. Solomon will have it. Team Naga, I think, will use as much clock as they can. Barring a turnover here, Team Naga. Good shot and a steal. Here comes Albay. Acidena. Tough shot. And that'll be a foul. A missed shot there for Team Albay. A lot of contact, but no call. Acidera not able to make the tying shot. And that, barring a turnover for Team Naga, should just about do it. 4.8 seconds remaining now on the clock. Team Naga will have the ball, and they have the lead. That is a big possession there. They came up with a steal. Talking about the defense of Team Albay, but they were unable to score on the other end and tie things up. And now Naga with 4.8 seconds remaining on the clock might just seal it here. 3,000 viewers on the live stream. 4.8 seconds, and Naga could just dribble it out, and Naga will win this first ball game of the semifinals round of the Palarong Bicol 2026.